well aware that the world was getting hotter, but what have we learned from these conclusions about the last decade?
Well, we know that the planet has been getting warmer, as you say, and then every year we add one more data point to that, really confirming those trends and kind of dashing the hopes of people that think it's all some blip that will just return to normal on its own. It won't. The updates that we're doing year by year, though, are also we're becoming more comprehensive in the data that we're putting out. We have more satellite data to bolster the results that we have from the surface weather station network. We have better reanalyses for instance, from the European Centre for Weather Forecasting. All of these things are now put together, and we see that coherently that there's no ambiguity about the warming trends. There's no ambiguity about the fact that this is the warmest decade that we've just lived through, and it's no ambiguity that the last 5 years are the warmest years in the record, and that could be going back, not beyond the 19th century when we have instrumental records, but back hundreds, if not maybe thousands of years.
And I'm interested to understand which metrics you focus on beyond average temperatures. I was mentioning ocean temperatures, but presumably there are a number of other factors that you're monitoring.
Well, of course, we're trying to monitor everything at the same time, which is a challenge. And we're looking at sea ice. We're looking at the mass of the ice sheets, because that's a big contributor to sea level. We're looking at rainfall and obviously coastal flooding. We're looking at heat waves. We're looking at ozone changes. I mean, all of those things are connected, and a lot of them are directly tied to the surface temperatures that we're reporting today. And the ocean heat content change, that tells us very clearly why this is changing. And it's changing because more energy is coming into the system than is leaving, and that's due primarily to the increases in greenhouse gases from human activity.